Today we're going to take a look at a versatile, heavy-duty, folding steel stand. Most of us would like to have a freestanding, dedicated router table like this. But if you're working in a small shop or your router table needs to be portable, a rigid frame table just might not make sense. What you probably want is something you can fold up for convenient storage or transport that doesn't feel flimsy or skimp on utility. And that's where Rockler's rock-steady folding steel stand could be part of a router table solution. The rock-steady stand consists of this black framework, and it has a scissor-style articulation kind of like a TV tray. It's made of 14-gauge, heavy-duty tubular steel with plenty of steel cross-bracing here, 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 and here to prevent it from racking and help it bear up to 200 pounds of load weight. And these blue swiveling plastic feet with soft rubber soles give the stand solid footing without scratching floor surfaces underneath it. Now you'll need to purchase your router table top, your router plate or lift, and the fence configuration of your choice separately, and Rockler has several options. Or make your tabletop and fence system instead. Either way, the rock-steady folding steel stand can accommodate tabletops up to 24 by 32 inches. Once you've got the steel stand assembled, you attach it to the bottom of your router tabletop with these two fixed brackets on the stand and this loose bracket that goes in front. And here's how easy it is to set the stand up for use. Just set the stand on its front feet, swing this back leg out until it stops, and set the back leg down. Then flip up this pair of red stops on the back leg and tighten their lock knobs. Now lift the tabletop up past level and tip up the stand's front leg. And engage the front leg with the angled sockets on the stand's front bracket. A pair of these tethered safety pins lock that front bracket to the front leg, and the stand is ready for use. And while the rock-steady folding steel stand is no substitute for a chair, here's a good idea of how strong it is. There's no side-to-side sway under load, and it doesn't move across the floor. And that's the kind of stability you want from a router table when you're routing. A padded handle makes the stand easier to carry when it's folded up, and it collapses flat so it doesn't take up much storage space. While the rock-steady folding steel stand makes a sturdy base for a full-size router table that you can set up wherever you need it, that's not the only way you can use it. You could use the stand underneath a T-track table like this for assembling project parts. Or make your own tabletop from sheet material and use the rock-steady stand for other jobs, like finishing. Or consider using it behind your table saw or bandsaw as an outfeed table. The options are wide open. Wherever you can use a sturdy, collapsible table in your workshop, Rockler's rock-steady folding steel stand is built for heavy-duty use, so it won't let you down. See it at your local Rockler store or learn more by visiting rockler.com. I'm Chris Marshall with Rockler and Woodworkers Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.